In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default department in Zoho Desk. Now, let's get into it. When you initially sign up for a Zoho Desk account, you'll notice that a default department is automatically created. This default department serves as a foundational element within your Zoho Desk platform, and it's important to understand that you won't be able to change, modify, delete, or even disable it. It remains a constant fixture in your setup, and you also can't assign any other department as the default. You might be wondering why this is the case. The reason is that in Zoho Desk, there are several built-in modules, features, and functionalities that are intrinsically tied to this default department. Because of these deep-seated connections, Zoho Desk has set restrictions in place, preventing users from deleting the default department. Also, the default department is linked to the default support address, which means it cannot be reassigned to a different department. This ensures that the core functionalities tied to the default setup remain intact, which helps maintain consistency and streamline operations across your help desk environment. However, if your objective is to ensure that emails directed to this department are not automatically fetched and turned into tickets, there is a way around this. You can disable mail fetching for the default department. To do so, begin by navigating to the Setup section of your Zoho Desk. Once there, look for the Channels option, and from there, head over to Email. Under this section, you'll find Support Email Address. This is where you can manage how your emails are processed within Zoho Desk. To block mail fetching, simply locate the toggle for the email fetching associated with this default support address and turn it off. This effectively stops emails sent to that department from being converted into tickets. It's a simple yet effective method to manage ticket creation in your setup, reflecting a more tailored approach to how incoming communications are handled. If you're looking for a more comprehensive understanding or additional nuances in managing departments under Zoho Desk, be sure to check out their documentation section, specifically the part on managing departments. This resource can provide a broader insight into department functionalities and further enhance your expertise in configuring Zoho Desk to fit your organizational needs. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. Remember, managing the default department in Zoho Desk may seem a bit limiting, but understanding these restrictions and how to work within them can greatly optimize how you run your help desk. By tweaking your settings to block email fetching as needed, you can better align the platform with your specific operational needs. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to dive deeper into Zoho's resources if you have any further questions.